Light lister. Start your light lister. Off all the lights.
Give me a second, it's taking some time. So I should off all the lights.
From light lister. Off all the. Except your
Yeah,
dome light.
except my dome light. Right.
Dome light we need.
Okay.
Yes, and we need a SDRI map of night render. Just see. Just go to Metro Editor and
I will just check where my this one is. Yeah,
yes.
right. I think one I have night one, sir. So shall we take this?
Uh, just just open in your Metro Editor there in Max. Copy the path. Copy the path from here. Go to Metro Editor. V-Ray bitmap take. I think only V-Ray bitmap is enough. You don't need V-Ray material.
Okay. So then I should go
Only V-Ray bitmap. Only you need.
there. V-Ray bitmap. Right, you're done.
Yes, there is an option to browse. Just click there.
Copy the paste. Open.
Just click. Wait, don't open. Let the preview to come. Maybe on the right side you see. Okay, see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just select any other evening or night view you have. Just click once and it will show the preview. Any other image you have other than that?
No, sir. Day I have.
Okay, then take that only. Night. Okay, no problem. Take it that. Apply to SDRI now. Yes,
I should do
mapping
spherical. I should
is
do spherical.
spherical. Yes, spherical. Good.
Okay. Done, sir.
Done, no?
Done.
Test render. Reduce the render settings. Save render setting. Reduce as for the test render. Reduce for the test
So
render.
the previous settings will switch off. Will remove all these elements and
Yes.
this
Switch
it will
off
take
for
like
now.
time.
Yes. It will take time.
And common and
Regulation
tech 10
1024. Enough.
1024. Rest everything remains same, no, sir.
GI. Go to GI. Let me see Radiance map and light cache.
So I've taken the redundant flow and
Okay.
light cache around 1000.
1000 is
1000. Should I
okay.
make it?
Good. Okay. It's okay. 1000 is less only.
Fine, sir.
Okay. Test render. Your background screen should be changed. You have any dark night scene for the background? Window back.
Mm,
You see
No,
there.
sir. That I have to download now. Download and do.
Night view that need to be changed, or you can hide as of now.
Fine, sir.
At the end, let it be render. Wait, let it be render. It's okay. Let us see what result we are getting. It's okay. It's coming out nice. No
Right, sir.
need of any changes in intensity. Is good. It should be
Right, sir.
dark. Outside
Only
in
thing is I have to I like to highlight the backside.
only the background should be of night scene. It should be.
Fine, sir. That I will
Change it.
download.
Yeah, download and change. Just stop this render. Is good. Stop and save this on your history. Yes.
Done.
Now just off that layer or hide that object. Go to perspective view. Just hide that object for both the yes. That's all. Now we will start with the lighting. We will start with the window. See, even for the night scene, some light will come from the outside, no?
Yes, the outside sources will be there.
A little
Yes,
bit,
outside
yes.
will
Suppose there is a good, what you say, the stars and the moonlight. You said the moonlight. You said at night it comes
yes, yes.
blue color
Okay.
light. So
Yes.
the window, we have placed that plain light, no?
Yes, sir. This
Window
one.
V-ray
Yes,
plane.
yes. Yes, two lights we have placed. Yes, correct.
Yeah, we just on that.
Okay.
Same process. We will work first for the natural light source.
Okay.
Then we'll go for the artificial light
Artificial
source. Yes, the natural light will be at night. How it will be like blue color, no?
Yeah.
So on the light and change the color to blue.
Power. Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. We will test render and we will see. Now
Right.
don't render completely, huh? Do a patch render.
Yes, sir. I'll do back render.
Patch render do. Yes.
So where should I do take it now?
Near the sofa and window. Sofa and window. Yes. Nice. Just want to see what difference we get. Intensity should be less.
So I'll stop it and I'll.
No. It's okay. You do it from now only. Just half it. Yes, make it half.
Half.
Yes, just make it half. Hold
Now
on.
it's up.
Wait. Let it little bit clear.
Yeah.
I just want to see the contact shadow and the contrast. I just want to see that.
Fine,
What
sir.
I get. Can you zoom little bit to the sofas? And also the blue color is coming properly or not? Increase the blue tint, blue color. No, blue color should be properly visible. Make it little dark blue. Can you make the color
Yeah.
darker?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Wait. Yes, enough. Wait. Let it clear a bit.
No problem.
Light intensity is good. There's
Right, sir.
no more light. But I want it to be little more blue. Can I have little more blue kind of effect?
Sure, sir. I have to darkness more now.
See, just dark a bit. Dark a bit. Acha, we have done that exposure and white balance there, no, for the daytime.
That
We
way
need to
I think.
change also. We need to change that also, no, because white balance. Just check.
No, this blue is too dark, or should I? As of now, I leave it. That will come back.
Just leave it. Go to the white balance. We can control the temperature from there also, no, white balance. Just go
Yeah.
there.
Yes, sir.
Control temperature. Make it
Okay.
more cool effect. No, less. Yes, enough.
Enough, sir.
Enough. Yes. Okay, we leave it this much only.
Okay.
Leave it this much only.
Okay.
Stop. Just render complete scene. Render complete scene. Can you zoom a bit, Prasanna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just zoom a little bit. Yes, just wait. Let this clear out.
Right.
It's coming out good.
Right.
Stop and save it. It's okay. I have seen. Save this also.
Fine.
Yes. Yeah, we'll continue. Now all light sources are done for the artificial.
Okay.
Now for the inner. We start with the for curve light, ceiling curve light.
Okay.
Yes, just on that and patch render.
Take it. Patch and right.
Yes. A small area. Yes, enough. Yes, just see. Wait. What is the office timing, Prasanna? What time to what time you have?
Sir, I go morning 10 o'clock, sir.
Acha.
Come back at 6 o'clock.
Acha, there is field work also. You have to go to the field for the
Yes,
site.
yes, sir. I have to go to field work.
Okay, understood. Okay, nice. Nice, yeah. Just stop it. It's good. Good. Nice. We will do the next lighting. This ice light.
Yes.
Where the ice light?
Yes, sir.
Yes, on that. Again, a small patch render near the. You just see the sofa area. Just from the curtain and sofa area, you can take from there. Take ceiling, curtain and sofa. Yes, like that. Yes, enough, person was enough. Can you zoom a bit
Yes, sir.
near the curtain? Just want to see the intensity. I tell you one thing.
Okay.
See, it's my personal opinion.
Okay.
For night view, no,
Okay.
the ice light which we are using, I
Okay.
want the light should strike the sofas a bit, because sofa are looking more of the bluish tint which is coming for the environment light source,
Okay.
and I want the top light should fall there. Some yellow color light should be over there. So we can use that IS19. We have just stop this render. It's okay. It's done. So right now we are using 16. No, we have just check. You have this IS light 19, because that light has a property to highlight till the floor. Just on that guide. Yes, see the 19. Yes, see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no, this one.
Yes.
Yes, take 19.
Yeah, we can change that.
Take 19. I've seen in some of my project, no, at night it get a very nice result.
Fine, sir.
because sofa is getting more bluish tone tint. So this I think let's change and see. Again, this is my personal opinion. You
No
can
problem, sir.
experiment on this different light source. It
Right,
will
sir.
give a different mood scenario
Fine.
completely.
It's well, sir.
Yes, yes.
Only
Again,
intensity we have to check. That's it.
intensity we have to do test render. It's okay.
Yes.
We do
So
test
I'll do
render
this
and
as of now, and we'll check it.
yes, yes.
So I will take the same.
Don't take the same. Reduce the size little bit. Make a reason which is little bit smaller so that we can see the before and after. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Little bit smaller so that we can see the before and after scene. Actually, I want to see. Wait. I want to see the sofa. Can you
Okay.
bring it down a bit?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Enough. That's enough.
Okay.
Yes, just enough. I want to see the sofa. What effect it has on the sofas.
It's too bright, sir.
Okay,
Intensity we have to reduce.
stop. Yes, stop and change the intensity and make it a color more yellowish, oranges yellowish.
So this is that
Color is already yellowish, no? It's okay.
yellow,
Only
sir. This I have to
intensity.
change it, sir. It is about 4,100.
Make
So
it
I'll make them
1000.
make. I'll try to. I'll make it 1,000.
Yes, 25% we reduce because it's too much bright. Now see, still is very bright. Reduce more. Reduce more. 1000 it is, no? Make it like 400. And wait, I tell you what we should do. Or go to perspective view.
Okay, sir.
Go to perspective view and select that one just above your sofa. The you see the ice light which is just above the sofa.
Yes, sir. This one. This one.
No, straight on the curtain, straight.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
That one. Yes, select that ice light. What you should do,
Okay.
the target there, no little square box is there at the bottom.
Okay.
Drag it on top of the sofa. I want
Right.
light to focus on sofa. Drag, yes, on top of sofa. Go to top view. Go to top view. Just to confirm it is on top of sofa. Then drag it out on x-axis. Yes, more, little bit more. Yes, enough.
Okay.
Now that will focus on sofa.
Right, sir.
Yes,
I'll close the group.
yes. It's not do test render. Now it will highlight the sofa. So this way you can make your IS light focus on a specific object
Fine, sir.
with the help of the target. Save your file, huh? You have not saved from a long time.
After this render, I'll.
Yes. See, now sofa is getting more light. Sofa
Yes, sir.
sitting area is getting more light. But why it's coming white? It should be yellowish tint, no?
Yes, sir.
It's not coming like that. Just check, go to the property of that ISLA, no? Just go,
Okay, I'll stop this.
save your file, We have done lots of changes.
Okay.
Just go to property and check why it is coming white. It should be more of a yellow tint.
Fine, sir. 1 second. Let this get on. Yeah, now it's done.
Just see. No, that is not IS. Bottom, yes.
I think I should go.
Open the group, no? Just open the group and the top one, yes. Now you see the property. It's temperature, color temperature.
3500, sir. And the intensity value here, it is not changed.
Temperature, intensity.
Value is more, no, sir. Okay.
Wait, just click on the drop down of temperature. Temperature, you see there's a drop down there, no? Temperature above, little bit above.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Above
Yes.
that, yes, just click
Okay.
there. It's color, temperature. Just click on the color.
Okay.
It's okay. The color is good. The color is good.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. Intensity value, we have changed to 500, but here it's showing 5520. Is this something got to do with this? Because of more light.
Just open light lister. Open light lister.
See, we have changed to 400 power,
Yes.
but here
Yes.
it shows 5520.
Just click on the above. Yes.
Yes.
Click on the power.
Oh, okay. It's in power, sir. 400.
Yes. 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 I think
So we
that's
have to.
why it's not giving proper result, no?
Yes, sir. So we should increase.
Yes.
We should leave it, sir, or decrease now?
Leave it and just see test under what result we are getting. Just see in test under.
Okay. I'll close the group. The intensity we have to reduce, I think, sir. I think so, sir.
Or do one thing. I tell you.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Off all the light except the dome light and on the ice light.
Right, sir.
We will just see
So I'll off the core light, then
window
this
one.
light,
Yes.
without I off it. Now I accept the.
Yes.
Now we'll take the test under.
Yeah. Take test and just see what result we are getting. No, still.
Because the bluish is more, so that is dominating, sir.
Yeah, reduce blue color of dome light or off dome light.
Okay.
Of dome light. Dome light don't have any color actually. Dome light you have the texture. The color
So
is coming.
the window light is coming
Window
from the
lights are
window.
off. Window lights are off.
Correct.
White balance also just off your white balance from the settings. The eye icon. You see the eye icon? Yes. On.
Yeah. Yes, sir. On.
It is overriding it. The
Yes, sir.
white balance
Yes,
is
sir.
overriding
White
it.
balance is overwriting it, sir.
On white balance reduce increase the this thing now temperature. It is overriding it little bit. Wait. Okay, leave it. This is looking more now little bit better.
Okay, fine.
On the other lights, it's okay.
All the lights, sir.
Other cove light and window light, dome window. Yes, whatever we have started.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Now take a test ender again. It's okay. In Photoshop also we can do little bit of color correction and make it
Right.
more night, cool temperature over there in Photoshop. It's okay.
Fine.
Our light, interior light should look like more like a yellowish, no interior light. How it is?
Fine, sir.
Warm tonality should be there from the light.
Warm tone
Yes,
is there more. Okay.
should be from the light, and cool tonality from the environment.
Environment.
It should like that. It's looking much better. Take the entire render. Stop and take the entire render. We are almost done. Almost we are done.
You can feel the light falling here also the floor.
Floor, you have to see the properties
And
because
this, no, this
yeah,
light, sir, IS light
uh,
is falling on the floor because we have the
that is good. Just we have
yes.
to see the intensity.
Intensity we have to
It
check.
should not be very bright.
Right.
The flow texture should be visible.
Fine.
So it should not be too bright. Only that you have to see. Other than that, it's good. Overall exposure you have to reduce a bit. It's too bright for night scene.
Fine.
It's good. Everything looking clear, but it's too bright for night scene. Wait. A little bit. Let it be clear.
Okay.
I just giving my opinion.
Fine.
Color balance is good. Either we have to work with the curves. With the help of curve, also we can make light and darker areas more contrast.
Fine,
Either
sir.
we have to use curve or exposure. We will see.
Okay.
Only these two is left. Other than that, light is good. Light
Okay.
intensity, all are good. All you have to bring a new image for your background. A nice
Background that type.
night
That's right. Okay.
image.
Okay.
Take a good from your Google. Just take a good image for night.
Okay.
And right now, let it be clear little bit. And we can control first exposure, and then we can see what we can do with the curves.
Fine, sir.
You can stop render, it's okay. I have seen. Save this.
Right.
Save this.
Right. Done.
Yes. Now exposure. Just go to exposure.
Yes.
Just try to reduce little bit. Okay, enough. Wait. Yes. Good. Now go to curve. Wait. I tell you, take a new curve. Right click and delete that. Just right click on curve.
Oh.
The delete option is there. Yes. Take a new curve.
Right, sir.
Wait. I tell you. Wait. See, right now it's dark. Okay, we need illumination to the area where the light directly is striking. No.
Okay.
So what we can do? First, the top. You see the top point dot over there. That will highlight the more bright areas. Just click there.
Okay.
You see a handle. Yes. Just click and drag up. You see any difference?
Yes, sir. I can see a little difference.
Just hold on. Wait. Now we do with the bottom point. You see the bottom point over there. Just click.
Yes, sir.
Just click on the handle and drag it up a bit. Up. Okay. Wait. Now it's time to take high render. You know why? Because
Okay.
the shadow, contact shadow details we need to see.
Fine.
Other
Sir.
than that, I think it's done. Lighting is done.
Fine, sir.
Go for high. Save this. Save everything. Settings and all.
Settings, sir.
Settings also, max file also, and this color correction, whatever we did, save everything. No, not that. Left side. Yes,
This
that
one,
one.
sir.
Yes. Save that as the night color correction, night view color correction, CC, night view CC. You can write. Yes, enough.
Then the render setting also we have to.
Render setting also we
Sometimes.
that time remember last time what
Yes,
you did.
sudden. Yes, sir.
Yes. See, all this time we did a very hard work on render settings and color, no? So it's better to
Correct.
save whatever we did
And
before
bring
we
back
go for
when
something new. Before we apply something new, it's better to save whatever we have achieved so far.
yes, sir.
Yeah, go to local drive where your project is.
Yes, sir. We made an interior. We made a with some presets, and I will share.
Yes. The night view, interior night view, whatever you can. Okay. Now save your max file.
Yes, sir. Done. I'll take the high res render, sir. Now.
Go for the highest setting. And take a patch render, huh? Don't do complete render.
Okay.
Small patch render.
Same. Can the same?
Yes. No, no, not now. Stop. First, change your render setting.
Okay. Okay. Now, which render setting, sir? We already done. Sir?
Go to render setting.
Oh, you are talking about that resolution, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I
Resolution.
thought. Okay, sir.
Complete render setting.
Sure.
Whatever 2K, 3K, whatever you wish to take. Because on test render you will not get a clear idea about the shadow, about the contrast, about the
Okay.
reflection, about the bump map. You have to go high res.
Right. Sir. Everything is good, sir. Should we want this render element?
No.
Not
Elements we
required.
can add later on.
So
Only
this, sir.
common high res and
What is it?
V-Ray, GI. Go to GI.
Okay. GI is same, sir. Evidence
It's
map low. I
events
kept
map
it.
low 5020. Okay, good.
And this is for about 1000.
1000 is okay. Fine.
Right. That's it.
Can I see the V-Ray? Go to settings. The noise one just want to see. Go to V-Ray and come down below. Image sampler is there, no? The noise 0.01. Okay, fine.
0.01, sir.
Okay, 0.01 is fine. Good. Yes, funner render.
What happened, sir? I don't know.
Is it rendering or not?
I don't know, sir.
Not rendering.
Yeah, not
Acha, wait,
rendering.
not rendering, no? Just go to render setting. I just want to cross check one thing more. Just go to global switches.
Sir,
Frame.
I'll just check with 1 second. The frame buffer. Frame buffer. I had to switch off this. I just experimenting with this resume rendering.
Acha.
So I close it. I close it now.
Okay.
Now I think it will.
This you are saving that things. You have given a path to save.
That
Frame
how
buffer.
to come out of that, sir? I was just trying that. That's it. Sir.
Okay. I tell you.
How to come out of that?
You see the tick sign over there? No. On top. Yeah.
This.
Uncheck that. Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Done.
Done.
Yeah. Done.
Once this is done, Prasanna, you just try to do a complete
Right.
render with the passes.
Fine, sir. The same passes.
Same passes
No.
we need.
No changes. Okay.
No. Same thing as we did for the daytime
Fine.
lighting.
Okay.
I just want to see the contact shadow and the light instant. Just cross check with the light intensity, no? It should not be too bright, especially around the floor of the ice light where it's directly striking the floor.
Fine.
Just do a patch render, not now, afterward.
Okay.
Just cross check that should be.
That is you're talking near the floor.
Yes, where the light is directly striking on the floor.
The floor. Fine.
Floor should not be too bright.
So it should not be too bright. Right.
Yes, it should not be too bright.
Okay.
Just cross check that. Other than that, we are getting a good result, very nice result. It's good for night time.
Okay.
And in Photoshop, we will just focus on the this temperature thing.
Fine, sir.
That is only I'm concerned. Other than that, it's looking good. Absolutely nice.
Right, sir.
And your window outside, no, that
That image
the
also I
JPG
will.
image you have to
Sir,
just apply.
what I have to type it, sir, Google? Night run.
I will send you one or two images that